Hey, family. How are you? Me and husband are out exercising today. We at one of our favorite parks. This husband.
Hey family, how you doing? Good day to you all. It's a beautiful, sunny, cold,
Brisk.
sunny, cold day here in our state. Hopefully you all having a blessed day. I wish you the best. Well, I and my wife have met up here, trying to share our little morning, afternoon walk routine. We got to keep that health buzz going, keep that blood moving throughout the body. Yeah, so just going to bring it along with you. I hope all is going well with you again. And I guess this is the time of year where the temperature is about to change, which we're glad of that. I mean, so much snow a person can take. I mean that.
That's true, guys. Yeah, me and husband we decided to, we skipped on lunch and decided to take our lunch break and go to one of our favorite parks. So we are at one of our parks. Which way you want to go? This way. And walking. Guys, I got on my jacket. So I will show you guys. But it's like 40 degrees outside. So I will show you. But trust me, I got on a jogging suit. Let me see if I can. Husband will have to hold it for you to see what I got on. Let me see if I can show you. Sure. See, guys, I got on my blessed jogging suit today because I feel blessed today. I'm woke.
Amen to that.
I woke up this morning, so I feel blessed. So it's brisk out here, but it's pretty though. It's pretty. The sun is out. We've got a couple people across the park over there. I guess they taking their lunch hour out here. Got mom and kids out here they doing their thing, So it's just a nice, like husband said, brisk, day in Ohio. And we are taking you guys on our lunch break. This is our lunch, I guess.
Brunch break.
Brunch.
Yes.
This is our brunch, and everything is walking. So, like husband said, you gotta stay healthy. With our family and everything, we got a generation of different diseases that it took some of our family members away from us. So we try to, make it the generation that has been passed on. We try to be the generation that it stopped with, by being healthy. Not to say that our family members that passed away, they had these diseases weren't healthy, but we try to make sure that the diseases that they died from, that it don't, go into us and our children and their children to come. So we try to be a little more healthier and eat better. And like I said, just put more healthy things into our body. Guys, I don't know what this is. We passing this statue. I don't know what this is. It looks like a tree and something. I don't know what it is. I don't know, guys. It'll be some things out here we walk past and don't know what it is. This is a steep trail. Let me show you guys. Got some woods. Steep trail. Got the water over there. Assuming by it being still cold, that it's frozen. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can make a little. Oh, I got husband.
You got me too, sweetie?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell. It's got that little soft layer of ice.
Yeah, you can see it glistening over there.
Give or take about another 3-4 weeks, it'll be all melted.
Yeah, because I see some water that's down here that's starting to, you see it starting to run. So hopefully this will be melting soon.
I'm waiting on that groundhog. Where is he at? Maybe we'll see him out here. So we looking for the groundhog today.
I'm serious.
So when we see the groundhog, we're going to put him on camera.
Yeah, we're going to ask him ourselves. You know what I
mean? We need an early spring.
Yes, we do. And guys, we're going to have a special video for you guys in April. For some of you guys who don't know, April is my birthday and me and husband's 20th anniversary. So yes, we got married on my birthday. He said he'd never forget that, right?
That's right. So
You better not.
So just look at it. It was like it was a blessing and a gift at the same time.
So we're gonna have a special video for that. We still trying to decide what we want to do, but whatever we do, we're gonna be bringing you guys along. How about that? So you be sharing it with us. Now guys, you can see it closer now in the water with the thin ice over there. We got some water that's running, but you can see you got the thick ice on it.
It'll be melting probably a couple weeks now.
Yeah.
From now, yeah.
Because they told us, you know, the weather guy said that we're gonna have weather, I think 70, our first 70 this weekend. So, you know, happy about that. You know, but our weather here in Ohio is tricky. It'd be 70 this weekend, and then the next day it'd be back to 40.
Yeah, so it's like you definitely got to be prepared to be unprepared.
We got running water right here, guys. So I can show. See you guys. Also out here they got wild animals, so you never know what you're gonna run into. So hopefully we won't run into nothing that we ain't supposed to run into. See a gazebo up there. Sun is bright. Surprised you didn't bring your sunglasses. You forgot to bring your sunglasses.
Yeah, I left them at home. Yeah, I usually kind of don't go nowhere without them. Today was an exception to the rule. You know?
We got up here close. I said close. We got up here fast. Guys, we made it about way to the hill up here at the top of the trail. You know, we got cars up here, and it's a big old park, big old trail. They got trails all around.
Definitely a lot of acres. Too much to guess, but take an overall view of it. It's definitely a lot.
Look at this. These are the acres. Give you a glimpse, family. We made it up to the top. Look at over there. You can see the other part of the park all the way over there. I hear some kids. So might be a school out here. Okay, family, we're gonna finish this walk, and we just wanted to bring you guys along with us on this is our nature walk, you know what I mean? First one of the spring. Pre-spring. I said pre-spring. First nature walk of the season. Glad that it wasn't too cold. It's chilly, but we got it. We can handle it, right? See, guys, they got picnic tables. Got some ladies over there. They bundled up, getting their walk in. See, so this is a family-oriented park. Very family-oriented. Coming up on the map, tell you welcome to the garden.
Nasty part of the trail. So we're gonna cut through this grass, baby. Okay?
Oh, we're going through the grass. Yeah, it's wet. So, family, we're gonna finish this nature walk. And woo, it's a squeaky sound. Ooh, guys, I'm stepping in mud.
But it's worse than that.
And
Got way back.
to the next vlog, family. We love you. Thank you for coming along with us. And to the next vlog. Bye, family.